Hey guys, real quick video showing you my Canik TP9SF Elite and the magazines that I got for it. Now, this is an actual Canik magazine, but I couldn't find any. It's a 15 round, fits flush in the mag well. Couldn't find any, but they're made by Gar, which also makes the M9s for the Berettas. And as you can see, they are identical in shape, in finish. Only these M9 magazines are going to have an 18 round capacity, and the magazine catch is in a different spot. So what I did is, using my little calipers, I measured this distance and this distance, and I marked it out on this guy. I think you can see it right there. And then you take the base plate and the spring and the follower out, and then using an angle grinder, I just kind of notched it out right where it is, and all of a sudden it locks in. Sticks out a little bit because it's an 18 round. But it also has last round hold open, which my aftermarket Pro mags didn't. So they didn't have enough spring pressure, or they weren't sitting right in my mag well. But there you go. You can modify some Gar Beretta M9 magazines to fit your Canik TP9SF Elite. I'm assuming these 18 rounds are going to fit more flush in the bigger mag wells, the Caniks that take 18 rounds. But for this 15 rounder, they just stick out a little bit, but doesn't bother me. I can shoot just fine with that. There you go.